Let's talk about motorized stitching in ZenCore. When you have a motorized stage, you can stitch together multiple fields of view with one image that gives you, wider XY dimensions. So let me share the ZenCore software. So we have this sample. I can move around in X and Y, but there's a lot going on this. And I want to stitch. So go to plus bar, acquisition, and let's do interactive tile. Add. Now check this out. Start with this position and move. And I could extend it over here, like move down. Now you get this entire region and further. So I'm going to press start. It looks like it's going to take about 15 pictures for me. Cool. Let's put that motorized stage to work. Cool. So it's taken 15 images and merged them together. See, it looks a little quilty. I love the ZEISS software because I can process it after the fact. We're not stuck with an image. I can go to image processing and tool, and I can add stitching, create a new output, and I can fuse these tiles to make it really nice. Apply. Great. Makes it look smoother across. You could also do a corrected shading on the original image. You could try that. Okay, so we'll do it on the original image. We'll see how that comes out. Cool. So you can get the shading correction and you can fuse the tiles. Get something that looks nice and even across.